Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share what I've been working on lately. It's been a whole bunch of goodies for a Valentine's swap. This swap is hosted by Crafty Barbie 86 and my swap partner is Hey Am. It's an exclamation point channel. That's her channel. Hey Am exclamation channel. So her name is Amy, guys, and if you don't know her channel, she's kind of new to YouTube. I will link everything down below so you can check her out. For this swap, we were to create a tag flip with a minimum of 3 tags, and then we were also to create at least 3 embellishments, and we were to send a pair of socks and a crafty pen. So let me show you the little embellishments that I created. So we're gonna start off with my memory decks. I forgot to say that before, but yes, this is the memory decks card that I've created, guys. And I just love how cute this turned out. So right over here is one of those Julie Nutting die cuts. And this was a Christmas one, but it went perfect. And I just cut off her stocking and I added the bow with the bling, and I thought she looked super cute for Valentine's. I did some layering. Over here you could see the XO, some ribbon here. I have this other embellishment somebody actually gave me, and it just went so perfect. I die cut out back here is a little cupcake with the gold, and you can see the more ribbon, and I just think it is so fun and so cute. And the back, I just added some bling and a little heart sticker, and my info is right here in the middle on the tag. So that is my memory decks. And then I also had to create the 3 embellishments, and I chose to make these flag banners. This is the first time I created these, and I thought they were really fun to just create. I loved it. So you make, I made these rather with that toothpick from the Dollar Tree. So that silver was already on here. These were from the Dollar Tree, little picks for eating. And I puffed on this cute little pom-pom. I glued that right on the top. And I added a little charm as well. And then I did 1, 2, 3 different banners of paper and some cute layering. I've got some silver little thread here sticking out. The BFF, I added the little silver to, and just some bling. So that's my first one. Then I have this one here. This one is red pom-pom. So they each have a different pom-pom. That's my pink one. This is the red one. There's also a little dangly here. And again, just simple with the little layering, very cute. And you can pop these on a memory decks, a tag, almost any project these will go for. So that's the second one. And then this one here has the white pom-pom. And this one I did add the little applique, some layers here, and then sentiment, and I just think these turned out so adorable. So those are my 3 embellishments. And I went ahead and I did do something a little extra. I've been wanting to try and create some sort of book, and this was a fun little book that you could send Happy Mail in that I thought would be perfect for this project. So I went ahead and created this to put all my stuff in, and this was inspired by Pinkstrawberryz, although I did mine just slightly different. And it opens here with the Velcro. And I'll link Pinkstrawberryz original video. I mean, it's very similar, the concept, but then I did it different. So I just made my little strap out of paper, and I used very thick cardstock, and then I just covered it. And I thought it would be better to layer up a bunch of hearts so that when you pull it off, it's more sturdy. So that's the enclosure, and then over here I just put some ribbon and the pom-pom trim, and in the inside I stuck on some of these that were with my Valentine's paper collection, and I only used a glue dot that's not gonna ruin the paper, so she could take these off and reuse. And then I created little clear pockets out of acetate. No, not acetate. I used actually my laminator. I just laminated a blank sheet. I ended up stitching on this paper so that the hot glue could go on the back of that, stick on the page, and you wouldn't see it through. So the bottom's just open. but they don't fall out. So I also clipped on some cute little cutouts, and then I made her a little clip. And this was the bunny clips from the Dollar Tree from Easter. And I took the bunny off and added these cute little sweets. So my stuff fits in, like right here. I'm gonna put one little embellishment in. And then you turn the page, and then I have my 2 more pockets. So my Memory Decks card fits in here. And then on this side, in the last pocket that I had made, I'm gonna put my last 2 flags in. And it's a tight squeeze, but they do fit. And how cute is this way of packaging up your Happy Mail? So this is the book, and that's how it looks. So I thought this was a very cute presentation for her, and that's it. So that is my Memory Decks and the embellished items. And next is my tag flip. So first, I guess I'm gonna just quickly show you. I did make her a tassel with all these cute trims. And right here is just an XOXO charm that I also made. So that is for her tassel. This is the first tag that I'm sharing, guys. And I stamped the ones that are completely decorated on the back. Other than that, the backs are plain. And this one says, "Be mine." And I die cut out down here, hugs, added the bow, added the little roses, and there's pearls here. I made 2 rosettes that I layered on top over this trim that I stitched. So I thought this came out really cute, very cute. My favorite tag though is this one, guys. I loved how this came out. This took quite some time. This one is, you know, like a little frappuccino. And I put here some white glitter on the cardstock so it looked a little cuter. Trimmed it up, layered up these hearts. I used the gold paper to create this spoon, and at the bottom of the spoon I put the white glitter again because I wanted it to look like sugar crystals, and I just really thought this tag came out adorable. So this was my favorite for sure. I made her a mini little tag. I thought this was fun, and I added the bow and the little eyelet. I have tons of trouble with these eyelets, so I don't know what I do wrong half the time, but I was able to get it on here, and you can see on the back how I stitched it. It's hard to see from the front. So that is a mini little tag, and then I made this shaker for her. And I love shakers, so you always gotta have a shaker. I made them in different sizes, some of them, just to, you know, be a little different in there. And this one just is clearly the shaker. I have some tulle and the Be Mine sentiment, and yeah, that's that one. And then I gave her these 2 extra blank ones that she could do something with as well. And then because we're also to include socks, I got my socks here. These I had picked up at the Target dollar spot, and they were just $1, super cute. And I still have to gather up a pen for her. And yeah, this is what I got for Amy Hey Am channel. And I hope you guys go check her out. All right, guys, that is it for today. That is what I am going to be sending out to my swap partner for this Valentine 2021 swap. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching what I've been creating. So let me know in the comments down below what you think. As always, I hope you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.